Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. And as you know, the Galaxy Watch Active 2 has been released. And yes, we want to talk about the top 7 features that is on this smartwatch that I think is super awesome. And with that being said, let's kick off this video. Alright you all, let's talk about it. Number 1 feature on the Galaxy Watch Active 2 has got to be the rotating bezel. I thought that was pretty slick what Samsung brought to the table. They kept it, many people had issues with it, and all you simply have to do is use your finger to rotate around as you would with the mechanical version of the rotating bezel, which I thought was awesome, and I can understand and see why Samsung left that huge bezel there. Samsung, I forgive you. Alright, with that being said, let's check out feature number 2. Feature number 2 is going to be the speaker, and it's beyond me for why Samsung didn't add this on the original, but it is here now on the Galaxy Watch Active 2. So if you want to listen to your music out aloud, you can. If you want to hear your alarm go off, you can. If you want to use a chime, listen, you have those options now. Samsung, on every smartwatch from here on out, add a speaker. Now, feature number 3, to me, I thought it's pretty cool, but what Samsung has came up with is called My Style. Now, I like this, so if I want to blend the watch face in with whatever it is that I have on for the day, all I got to do is take a picture of my t-shirt, my jacket, and it's going to give me certain patterns that I can choose from to complement what it is that I have on for the day. I thought that was a cool feature. I'm glad we have it, and hopefully through an update, the Galaxy Watch will get this as well. I can't wait. I can't wait. Alright you all, now don't blast me for this one, but yes, they have YouTube on there, and I know we got different applications, but those aren't fluid. You got issues, you got problems, you got lag, you got stutter. Listen, none of those work as well as I'm hoping the YouTube app does, considering that it's already integrated within the smartwatch itself. I can't wait to test this. Now for me, I can use it to listen to podcasts, I can use it to watch videos. I'm that guy that would do so I'm glad it's here. Now if it's anybody else besides myself that's happy about this YouTube app, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know I am not alone. Feature number 5 is going to be Twitter. Twitter has been added, so for those of you all who have the Galaxy Watch Active, just wait for the update. You're probably going to end up getting this one. Me personally, I don't use Twitter, but I know there's a lot of people out there that love Twitter, so if you into retweeting things, you can do so right from your smartwatch. And if you want to see some pictures, if anybody posts pictures, you can see pictures as well. I thought this was an awesome feature so far as an application is concerned. Hopefully next time they will bring Instagram. What do you think? Feature number 6 is going to be Google Translate. Seems like Google and Samsung has partnered up to bring this to the Galaxy Watch Active 2. Now, I don't really use it, but I can find it useful when you're in different countries. But there are some people who believe that you can just use your phone. I find the convenience of being able to go to your watch. You can leave your phone in your pocket. Maybe your phone isn't near you, and you can use this Google Translate right off your wrist. I think it's a very, very cool feature to have. Last but not least, feature number 7 is going to be ECG, which is known as Electrocardiogram, which is welcome on any device. Now, although it's on the Galaxy Watch Active 2, it is not activated thus far. It should be sometime in 2020 as it gets approved by the FDA. Now, what this does is it detects heart problems. So it measures the electrical activity generated by the heart as it contracts. Now, if it shows a different shape, then it's going to alert you to let you know that there may be a problem with your heart. Maybe you need to go in and see a doctor. Now, this is going to be useful for people with heart issues, people who have high cholesterol, people who have had heart attacks in the past. This is definitely a good feature to have on any and all devices. Alright you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.